Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Marsha's Martian Stuff. Thank you for finding my channel. Thank you for all of you who have already subscribed. Today I have a DIY from you. And yes, these did come from the Dollar Tree in the teacher section. So as you see, I have spelled out a name. That's my grandson's name that was just born. He's a month old now. So after spray painting, I'm going to dry brush on this sage green. I'm looking for it right now to try to find the color, but I do show you guys the color of the paint that I'm using. And guess what? I found the speed up button. Yay! So I actually tell you there's no fast forward, but I did find it. So yay, I'm getting a little bit better at editing, guys. So bear with me as I try to find a better editing app that allows me not only to do a voiceover, but also to change the speed and add a little background music as well. So guys, with a real light hand, you just want to dry brush around the corners and a little bit, but you in the center, but you really want to leave that center portion open because that is where you're going to be putting whatever it is you want to spill out. Now guys, I've seen this done multiple times with these smaller dice that come in the toy section. I can't ever find those. I think I have like 2, maybe 3 of them right now that have come from various Dollar Trees. But these are in the teacher section. These are the big foam. I think they actually are like dry erase markers, to be honest with you. So you'll actually see me later use an acrylic paint pen to do the initials. So I'm counting out, making sure I have enough blocks to add his name. So I'm just checking to see which side would be best, which side looks best, and I flip them all over. So after getting everything in line, I find my stencil and I decide which font I'm going to use, the bigger lettering or the smaller lettering, and I decide on the bigger. So make sure you have it nice and centered because you are going to spell out something. And I have seen everything from Home Sweet Home to Farmhouse, everything, guys. These are a little bit bigger than the dice you find in the toy section. So, I didn't want to go overboard spelling Home Sweet Home. That would be a lot of blocks sitting around. So I'm just showing you how cool. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about this DIY. I've had it the paint pens, by the way, are from Amazon. I did watch them on there for a while before they came down to my cheap price. I'm just very frugal like that. If it's not $1, yeah, that's just me. Yeah. Okay, so voila, here we go. My S is a little small, but that's okay. Actually, it looks great, in all honesty, and it is for my grandson's room. It's going to be done in a woodland theme. So I thought the sage green would match quite nicely with his room decor or decor, however you guys say that. But there we go. There's the end result, guys, and I couldn't be happier. I was very indecisive on the acrylic paint pen I was going to use, but I'm glad I went with the black. It just stands out best. So there's the name, Sutton. So guys, if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. That really helps my channel grow, YouTube to notice me more. And I just want to thank each and every one of you, and I hope you have a very blessed day. Thank you for all your support, guys. I do appreciate it more than you know. Bye!